Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Judge.me detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Judge.me, first open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL, judge.me. Press enter to navigate to the Judge.me website. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your login credentials. Enter your registered email address in the email input field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link for password recovery options. After entering your credentials, double-check for any typos. When ready, click the Login button to access your account. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Judge.me dashboard. In case of login issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. Verify that you're using the correct email and password combination. If necessary, consult the support resources on the Judge.me site for further assistance. Once logged in successfully, you can manage your reviews and settings from your dashboard. Explore the various features available to enhance your e-commerce experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.